Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of Rae Dunn shopping. I'm gonna go to several stores again today and I'm going to see what they have and hopefully I can score some goodies. And last time I was so mad that I didn't get this marshmallow canister. A lot of people left me suggestions saying you can trade. If you don't want it, you can trade it with something else. So hopefully this time, if I see something really good, I can grab it. So I've been kind of stopping by throughout the week. I picked up a couple more things and I'll do like a little haul when I get home. But for right now, let's just see what they have and if I get lucky. Alright guys, so as you can see, Sunday is probably the day to go because there were so many things. I had actually gone the day before and the shelves were empty, and today they were pretty full, pretty restocked. So and I apologize, this part is going to be a voiceover. It was just way too many people in the store for me to be able to like calmly record and talk to the camera. I was surprised to find these Wish Christmas trees. Those were definitely not there before and I thought they were really cute. I just don't know what to do with something like that. I mean, it's like a ceramic tree. It doesn't really have a function, so I didn't really like stop to think too much. I completely passed on them, but I thought they were really pretty. So I decided to include some clips from the day before just so you can see how different it looks. The shelves were completely restocked. This is the same shelf, and just one day earlier there was so much less stuff on the shelf. When I first saw these piggy banks, I totally thought it was a birdhouse, but it's not. It's actually a piggy bank and they're really cute. I really like them, but it's just another one of those things that I don't think I could ever use because, I mean, how often do I actually use change or paper money? Like, I almost never do. I thought this cheer watering can would look so cute with some greenery, like some pine branches or something like that, as just a decor piece. In the organization aisle, there were definitely a few things that caught my eye. I will probably invest in something like that once I have my office how I wanted, but right now I'm still not there yet. I didn't even know that they had planners. I'm so not a planner person. I always start one and then I do it for like a month or two and then I just abandon it. So I just stopped buying planners, but these are so nice. And I was almost tempted to buy them because I always like have the intention to do it, but it just never works out. So I stopped myself.
One day
TJ Maxx was a bit of a letdown. I couldn't really find a whole lot there. That Blessed canister was really cute, but other than that, they did have the gingerbread canisters, and they had so many of those. Other than that, I really didn't see a whole lot that I wanted. But let me know if you guys would have picked up anything else. These mugs are from their Valentine's Day collection, and they're cute, but I was more interested in the ones that say "Be Mine" or like hot stuff, not just the love and hugs ones.
Every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have.
Alright guys, so I'm back. I cannot wait to show you my haul. I'm sure some of you guys are still gonna be like, why didn't you pick up XYZ? I was just starting to feel a little bit overwhelmed, and I was like, I know if I buy all of those things, whenever I buy so much stuff, I tend to like stop enjoying it. It becomes like clutter, and I just kind of like, sometimes I buy things and I don't even open it, like, and it just kind of sits there forever. So I don't want this to become one of those things. I want to actually enjoy every single thing that I buy. So I'm trying to be very selective. I want to only buy whatever I'm just going to be using, and I know I'm going to get really good use out of it. So let's get into the haul. I got this pumpkin spice tumbler slash mug. It was $4 on clearance, and the original price was $14.99. So I was so excited because I really wanted like a fall thing to kind of have it for next fall, even though it's already past fall. I really wanted to have something of their fall collection, because that's really what made me turn to Rae Dunn, because I was seeing all of these like Halloween and fall themed things. So I was really excited to see that, and to see that it was on clearance. There were 2 of them, and I'm kind of sad I didn't pick up both of them, because it was only $4. I mean, I couldn't have gone wrong picking up both of them, but oh well, I didn't want to go back and stand in line. So anyway, the next thing I got is this cocoa mug that I found. And this one, I don't even think I was filming at the time. It was kind of like tucked away at the very like end of one of the mug shelves. So I was checking out already, and it was like near the checkout. So I had already stopped filming and everything, but I spotted it and I grabbed it, and I think it's super cute. I love this mug. It's probably my favorite out of all of the Christmas mugs. And then I got this Believe one, and then I got this star. They had a whole bunch of the same ones in like a galvanized finish, but I really like the white one. So I think this will be really cute in like a tiered tray. So I got that for that, or near like my coffee station. Then I picked up a tumbler that said ho ho ho, and it's so cute. This one was actually the only one that they had that said ho ho ho, but later I did find some that said fa la la, and then I found another one that said hot cocoa. So these are pretty, easy to find. And then I got this tools canister, because I really want to organize my actual utensils and stuff. I wanted to find the one that had utensils on it, but I couldn't, so I just settled for the one that said tools. And maybe later on, if I find the utensils one, I can pick that up too, and I can have them next to each other. So let me show you what my whole utensils drawer looks like. It's a hot mess. I really need to organize this, so it's not going to be organized immediately, but I'll show you guys what I come up with in just a minute. They're just some boxes. They're gift boxes. Unrelated. Oh, I forgot to mention. So I also got some of these pens, because I really need better pens. I always struggle with finding good pens to write with. So since I already needed pens and I found these by Rae Dunn, so I was like, I'll just give them a try. And then while I was at TJ Maxx, I also picked up some gift boxes. I bought these because I want them to go under my tree, and I got some wrapping paper. We don't really do gifts in our house. We do, but we don't really wrap them and wait until Christmas morning, because we're all adults. So I wanted to put something under the tree though, because it looks really bare and ugly. So I'm going to put those under the tree. And that's about it. All right, so this is what my tools container looks like. I was not able to completely empty this drawer, but I mean, it's a lot better now. I just need some organizers to be able to organize some of the stuff into little compartments, but it's no longer overflowing. Actually, this can move and put it in here. So in here, I put some of my Dollar Tree ugly stuff that I don't want displayed. And then in here, I put mostly just the wooden and the aluminum. Is it aluminum? I don't know. The wooden and the metal ones. So now my dilemma is this canister. Josh got it for Barney, and it's so I don't know. I don't want to get rid of it. I'm going to have to find a different place for it, because I really want matching stuff for dog treats. This one says give a Wookiee a cookie, and it's so cute. But yeah, I think we're going to move this one downstairs so that Bernie has treats downstairs, and then get another one to match. So my next thing, I'm going to try to get a dog treat container. I'm not sure how I feel about this, to be honest. Tell me, what do you guys think? Do you like to put all of your stuff out just on the counter? I like a really clutter-free countertop, so I don't know. I don't know if I like this. And I feel like I already have too much stuff. This tag is also driving me crazy. Yeah, I feel like my countertop is gonna get cluttered if I continue. So I need to be careful. I need to be careful with how much stuff I put on here. And yeah, a few other things I was gonna show you guys. I got a little sugar container. There's stevia in here. It's not real sugar, but I thought this was cute to keep next to the coffee. And then I also got this scoop container, which I'm gonna put Bernie's stuff in here. Bernie is takes like a medicine that I crush, and it's not a medicine, it's more like a vitamin, but I crush it and I keep it in like, I was keeping it in this, but I'm going to switch it out and use this. This was on sale. How much was it? I already ripped the tag out, but I found it in the clearance section. And that's it, you guys, from today's Rae Dunn haul. Let me know what you guys would have bought, and let me know, did I make the same mistake again and pass on something that I really shouldn't have passed on? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. Because I was checking Mercari to see like the prices of things. Those gingerbread containers were like up. The price was, you know, there was an up sale on them. But there were so many in the store, and I don't really use gingerbread, cookies, that kind of stuff. I don't keep stuff like that in the house. So I passed on those. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and please subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I will be making more DIYs soon. I've kind of just stopped for a minute because December is like the busiest month of all time. Like, my job is just ridiculously busy right now, and I just don't have a lot of time. That's why I was rushing to kind of get everything prepared while it was still like before Thanksgiving, so I could just relax and not have that much to do throughout December. But I do have some DIYs that I want to share with you guys, so those will be coming up shortly, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.